about this na it looks, you know, very simple and sleek. Okay.
For those who are living in small spaces, you don't have to think small when it comes to your kitchen setup. With our small space living kitchen, you can have a complete, clever, stylish, and multifunctional kitchen that saves you a lot of space, but of course, without compromising to the things that really matters. As you can see here, there's a place and space for everything you need. A rice cooker, a toaster, and a bit more. And then
Mayroon palang rice cooker din.
Yeah.
So itong space na to is designed for small space, mga condo living. So pang bachelor or bachelorette pads. Okay.
Yeah, and this cabinet, you can have your cooking and kitchen utensils. And you can have your additional add-on workspace that you can easily post out.
Tama, para ma-cater nga naman yung work triangle natin. No? So may extra working space ka dyan for your prep.
What we have here, of course, there's a space also for your recycling and waste sorting. An organizing for your kitchen towels, for your dishwashing liquid, and even for the hand soap. So it's all, actually located just under the sink for easy access.
Para hindi nasasayang yung space sa ilalim, no? That's the beauty of the Method Kitchen, no? Meron tayong cabinets na pwedeng ilagay sa ilalim ng sink para magamit mo pa rin yung space doon.
Yes, you're right, Sig.
Sig, meron lang akong question sa'yo.
Ano yun?
What do you think is the missing basic kitchen appliance that is, missing in this room?
Meron na tayo.
Where's the ref?
Ay. Oo nga, sabi ni Ruth, nasan daw yung ref?
Okay, let me show you. We have here the IKEA Super Cal built-in fridge.
So yes, we have the IKEA Super Cal. Okay.
So for this one, you can add doors that match the rest of your kitchen for uniform and also for the style. And for the last cabinet, you can have here your pull-out rack for your cleaning materials.
Pagkatapos mo magkalat dito ng mga ingredients na pwede kang maglinis.